Hi students, in today's session we are going to discuss exercise 26b. This comprises of questions to find the median for a given set of data. How will you find median? What is median first of all? Median means it is the middle value. How is that you can find the middle value? You have to first of all judge the number of terms in the given set of data. For example, the total number of terms in the given set of data, if you take it as n, you have to check whether this is either odd or even. If the number of terms are odd in number, in that case, the median will be n plus 1 divided by 2th term. Because exactly a middle value you will get. Only one middle data will be there. So this you can take it as a median. But if in case there are even number of datas, for example, I have 4 datas. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many middle numbers are there? You have 2 numbers in the middle. If it is even number of data, you will have 2 datas. In that case, you will find the average of the middle 2 datas and write that to be the median. What is it? You have to find the middle 2 datas. So what that will be? It will be n by 2th term and n by 2 plus 1. That is the next number, the next term. This term you have to add and divide by 2. That is, we are finding the average of the 2 middle terms that are available in this even set of data. So, after adding and dividing by 2, the answer that you obtain is nothing but the median for this even number of datas. Let us go for question number 1. Subdivision 1. They have given you a set of data and you have to find the median. How many datas are there? That is our first query. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, the number of data as n is equal to 9 and n is an odd number. So, when it is odd, how is that you will find the data? It is n plus 1 divided by 2th data. Correct? So, that will be n is 9. So, 9 plus 1 divided by 2, which is 10 by 2, or which is equal to 5th data. Now, before finding this 5th data, first of all, I have to arrange all these datas in ascending order. How will you arrange them in ascending order, ma? First, the least of all that we have to take. First of all, let us consider the single digit numbers. How many single digit numbers are there? 1, 2 and 3. Yes. So here 7, 6, 3. Which is the least of them? 3, then 6 and then 7. Next, let us think about the tens place digits. The tens place numbers. So here we have 11, 16, 15 and 12. 11, 16, 15, 12. Which is the least of all? 11 and then it is 12 and then 15 and then 16. So totally 4 datas are in the tens range. Next, 20s. How many datas are there in the 20s range? 20 and 23. Least of them is 20 and then you write 23. Now again I should have to count the number of terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have not missed out any of the terms and all the 9 terms are intact. Now I have to check which is the 5th data. So median is nothing but what? The 5th data. So which is the 5th data? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the 5th data. So median is 12 for this set of numbers. Here subdivision 2 in the first question. How many datas are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So n is equal to 11. And this 11 is what? It's an odd number. When it is odd number of data, then it will be n plus 1 divided by 2th term that you have to consider. What is n? 11. 11 plus 1 divided by 2, which is 12 by 2 or 6. So it is the 6th term or 6th data that we have to consider for finding the mean. So first of all, you have to arrange everything in ascending order before checking out which is the 6th data. So totally there are 11 datas as usual. Single digits let's consider. 9 is a single digit number, then 7 and then 0. Are there any other single digits? No. So which is the least of all? 0, then 7 and then 9. Now think about the tens place digit. So tens, 16 you have, 13, is there any other tens? No, 19 is here. So totally 3 datas are in the tens range. Least among them is 13. 13, 16 and then 19. And then let's go for what? 20s. 20s you have only 25 over here. Is there any other 20s range? No. So I'll write 25. And then what? 30s. 32 we have, 37 we have. So we'll write 32, then 37. 40s, is there any number in the range of 40s? No. 50s, yes, we have 2 numbers in the range 50s. It is 50 and 51. Now let us check whether all the datas are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes, exactly. We have all the 11 datas arranged in ascending order. See students, first of all, arranging in ascending order, where you will make mistakes is any one term you might miss out. So that part you have to check again and again in order to get your answer perfect. So 11 datas are here and we have already found out the total number of datas is 11. It is odd and therefore the 6th data has got to be the middle data. So which is the 6th data? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6th data is 19. So the median for this set of data is 19. The third subdivision has got all numbers in decimals. So first of all, let's count the number of terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So n is equal to 7 and 7 is an odd number. Therefore, what is it? N plus 1 divided by 2, which is 7 plus 1 by 2, or 8 by 2, which is 4. So the fourth data is the median data. So now I have to arrange everything in ascending order. How will we arrange in ascending order? See, everything is in decimals and also after the decimal there are only just one digit, right? So we'll just imagine that the decimals are not there and think about the numbers. How many numbers are there in 0 point? Nothing. 1 point, here you have a 1.8. 2 point, yes, here we have 2.6. So 2.6 are right here. And then 3 point, only one data, 3.4 is there. 4 point, 4.3. 5 point, 5.6. 6 point, there is no 6 point, then we have a 7 point here, it's 7.2. And 8 is not there, so 9.1. So how many datas? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So all 7 datas, I have arranged them in ascending order. Now which is the fourth data among this? 1, 2, 3, 4. So my fourth data is 4.3. So the median for this set of numbers is nothing but 4.3. Question number 1, subdivision 4. How many datas are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here there is a difference. N is equal to 6. It's an even number of data that we have here. So when it is even a number, then n by 2 the data and n by 2 plus 1 the next data, you have to add and divide by 2. Okay. So what is the n by 2 the data? N by 2 will be 6 by 2, which is third data, plus the next data will be the fourth data, n by 2 plus 1 divided by 2. So the third data and fourth data you have to find, add them and then divide by 2. So first of all, what is that we have to do? Arrange everything in ascending order. So here everything is a 3-digit number. So the least among them, you can check out for the tens place, right? Tens place, here it is 0 and here as well it is 0. So let us go with 108 and then 109. Then tens place, here it is 1. Only in this number it is a 1 here. So I'll write 118. And then tens place, here we have 2 in 3 places. So the least of them is 122, 122, 125 and then 127. So check everything has come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 datas. Here as well it is 6 in number. So now how will you find the median? Median is nothing but you have to add the 2 datas. That is the third and fourth data you have to add. Which is the third data? This is the third data and this is the fourth data. So these are the 2 middle terms that we get in this sequence. So you have to add these two middle datas. So it is 118 plus 122 divided by 2. Average it out. So what it will come? 2 plus 8, 10, 0 balance 1, 2 plus 1, 3. So that 1 when you add it is 4, 1 plus 1, 2. So it is 240 divided by 2. You will get it as 120, 120. So the median for this set of data is what, ma? It is 120.